Yeah, good morning. Hi, my name's Stephen Benton. I'm coming to you from North Trail RV Center here in sunny Fort Myers, Florida. Today we're going to take a walk around the all-new 2021 Mountain Aire, the 4551 floor plan. Let's go ahead and go around the outside here. I'm going to point out some of the nice key features of the exterior. As you can see, we do order this coach comes standard with the Mountain Aire. The full Girard Nova awning system does cover the full length of the coach. Also does give you the electric window awnings, so you can open those window awnings, cut that sun glare down on just a push of a button. Does come with the 365 tire, along with that comfort drive exclusive to a Newmar coach. Does give you full handling of that coach and really a great feeling of being in full control of a 45-foot luxury coach. Did order this particular coach with the full stainless steel trim package all the way around, gives it that high-end luxury look. Moving into some of the basement bays here, the storage area. This coach does come with the all-new Dometic 3.0 refrigerator slash freezer. You could have both of these units running at the same time, separate temperatures. If we take a look at the first two bays of the storage area here, Mountain Aire does come with the electric slide-out trays. I want to point out one of the features on this coach is the exterior paint job. We started with the Hamden exterior paint job. We changed a few colors on it. So this is an original one-of-a-kind paint job. You won't find this on another Mountain Aire. Of course, does have the exterior Samsung TV with the Bose soundbar. Moving into the third bay here, you'll see we do have the manual pull-out tray. The first two are electric. And all of that gives you a lot of storage area down below. The fifth bay here does come with the pegboard with the trays, and you can store all your easy to reach tools there that you might need. The Newmar coaches with a tag axle do come with a passive steer tag axle. So when you're going around those corners, this is on a Spartan chassis, and this will help you turn that corner to the degrees of 17 degrees better than a regular tag axle. So that passive steer axle is something that came out that in 2016. It's really made a difference on you taking the corners, having the rear end of that 45-foot coach follow you right around that corner. This bay here does show you the DEF fill, and that is a dual fill from either side. The DEF you can fill from either side. So when you're pulling into that truck stop to get fuel, pretty handy that you can do that from either side. The fuel's the same way. It's a dual fill fuel system, and you can fill up the diesel fuel and the DEF from either side of the coach. Here you have your chassis batteries. I want to point out this too, exclusive kind of with Newmar, is that emergency exit door that's in the back bathroom of the coach. We'll take a look at that from the inside as well. Moving around the back of the coach here, as you can see, the Mountain Aire all come on the K3 Spartan chassis, exclusive to Spartan this year. And also we have here, since it is a bigger engine with the side radiator, easy access to your engine. You can check all your fluids, and it's very easy access to keep an eye on all the fluids and make sure that they're all to the level that they should be. Again, the Mountain Aire does come with a 500 horsepower chassis, and the hitch weight is a 20,000 pound towing capacity. Moving around the side of the coach here, does show you that side radiator. The fill for the DEF, as I mentioned, that's a dual fill. You can fill that from either side. Taking a look at the 2021 Mountain Aire wet bay here, they have made some changes. Went to kind of an all stainless steel front. They really cleaned it up in here. You can check your tanks here, the fresh, the gray, the black, and see what level they're at. It does show you a percentage, not just quarter. It actually shows you if it's 10, 20, 30% full. Very handy. They did a new outside shower this year. Does come with the power water hose for you. and the RV SantaCon turbo system as well. Here you have your 50-foot, 50-amp power cord, and that has a power reel as well, so that'll come all the way out, and you can retract that by the push of a button. Here they're showing your Oasis hydronic heating system. That is your on-demand hot water system, and also acts as a furnace to heat the full basement of the coach and the interior of the coach as well. Again, other side of your slide-out trays. And here you can see is the 8 batteries, house batteries, all lined up together. Also, one nice feature about the Mountain Aire you'll see is there is a push button in the front here. The whole bottom clip of that front end will come out and gives you very easy access to your generator, to a hot water line that we have here. And as you can see, that full power clip comes all the way out, again, for easy access to your generator. Here we're on the inside of the 2021 Mountain Aire, model number 4551. We want to go through and point out some of the highlights of this interior. If you'll take a look at the cabinetry, we did order this coach with the caramel glazed maple hardwood cabinets with the gloss. Also on the interior, we do have the artisan decor. Also special ordered the floor on this particular Mountain Aire in the King Aire layout. So it's a Mountain Aire flooring, but the pattern is from a King Aire, which is the top of the line for a Newmar. Instead of the 2-couch setup, we did order this particular one with the theater seating, his and hers, and those are electric. All the furniture you're going to see in a Mountain Aire is by Villa Furniture, and that you'll see in all of their high-end coaches for sure. Also, this particular coach we did order instead of the booth with the table and chairs. Gives you a lot of space on the top here with the hardwood surface corian, and also computer space, and of course more storage in some of the drawers here. Taking a look at the other side, the passenger side of the coach does have the televator up and down with a big sound bar all the way across, and of course your DVD player, and this is where you would put one of your satellite receivers too if you wanted to be hooked up with the satellite system. Moving into the kitchen area here, as I mentioned, it does have the hard surface countertop, the extra pull-out drawer for more surface for your countertop. Taking a look at some of the appliances, top-of-line Whirlpool convection microwave. Also the true induction cooktop, and again from Newmar is an exclusive, is removable, so you can take that outside and cook outside if you wanted to, along with other cooking that you may be doing. Also below is the Fisher & Paykel dishwasher. And then on the driver's side, of course, we do have a full residential refrigerator, bottom freezer, split refrigerator on the top, ice maker down below, and an exclusive lockout system from Newmar where you can lock your refrigerator and that won't open as you're traveling, so you don't make a big mess if you take a corner too fast. Something new that Newmar is doing this year is their pantry system. You can see the light comes on automatically, and these lock as well, so it's a special system. You push on it, then it unlocks itself. You can pull those out, nice big wide pantry drawers, and then push it back in and just secure that back in there, lock it back in, so that again, that doesn't come out while you're traveling down the road. Moving right down the coach here, you can see your half bath. Does come with a full central vacuum system. 2 ways you can use that central vac. Of course, you can sweep the material right into the suction on the bottom, or you do have the hoses that hook up to the central vacuum system there, and that'll reach all the way to the front of the coach and all the way to the back. Moving into the bedroom area here too. Again, I did point out the special King Aire flooring we have here, but also with Mountain Aire, and this is from Dutch Star Up, you have the More floor system. So no carpeting in this coach at all. And 2 years ago, they started with the heated floors. They also made this part of the bedroom a heated floor component as well. So you're not stepping from a warm floor to a cold floor. This part of the bedroom slide out will heat along with the other heated floors as well. King size bed does come with this particular floor plan. Also, you can see here Samsung TV, a nice bank of drawers, and provides you with some extra storage there. Moving right into the back bathroom here. This is the master bath, if you will. Again, starting with this emergency exit, again, exclusive to Newmar. This door does open and does come with a telescoping ladder on the bottom there. You can rip that panel off. That ladder will come out, telescope all the way to the ground. And you have easy access to escape from the back of the coach. Also, I know a lot of my customers have reported back to me just using this particular door to load up a lot of the stuff that they have to come into the bathroom, their clothes, since the full-length closet is right here. So really a nice feature there, gives you better access. Here you'll see you have a full-length closet all the way across. Of course, both of these doors will slide open. Cedar lining throughout the whole closet, nice feature. And you have a lot of space for shoes. And of course, you do have a safe in the back. You can put all your valuables. And looking on the driver's side of the coach here in the bathroom, you see you do have the two sinks. It's a his and her sink. Kind of special lighting all the way around the back of the mirror they're doing this year. So I got special lighting around the back of the mirror there. And you do have a medicine cabinet on the left side here. Access to all your medicines and all your goods you want to store in there. To the right of the sink here, you'll see you do have your stacked washer and dryer from Splendide, and more drawer space and storage space down below the double sinks here. Taking a look at the 2021 Mountain Aire up here in the cockpit area. A couple things to really point out. They have gone to some bigger screens that you'll see for both the GPS and for the backup camera and 360 camera system. Of course, I'd mentioned this is built on the Spartan K3 chassis with the electronic dash. There's actually another monitor here for the passenger, and they can dial in to the GPS system from the dash here. They can go ahead and look up the next pilot truck stop or the next KOA campground that you may want to stay at. Again, all Villa furniture here in the front with an extra wide passenger seat. They give you that extra wide seat in case you want to travel with your pets. A lot of our customers do. And you have room to put your dog or cat there in the seat with you. Again, my name is Stephen Batten from North Trail RV Center down here in Fort Myers, Florida. Today we took a look at the 2021 Mountain Aire, the 4551 floor plan. This particular stock number is 13130. If you're interested in this stock number or anything else we may have in our inventory, you can reach me at 239-229-0045. Again, the name is Stephen with North Trail RV. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe, and we look forward to our next review of our next coach.